Assalamu alaikum. Today we are doing watercolor activity.
Let's start making the landscape drawing. For this, I'll just leave a little bit gap, okay, leaving 1/4 gap, and I'm just making a line, a horizontal line with freehand drawing, okay. I'm not using a scale, and make it a double like this, okay. Now after this, I have to make 4 date palm trees. Let's start. For the date palm tree, I'll just make a little slanting line like this, okay. And for the date palm tree, it is thin from the top and little broad towards the end like this, okay. Now coming to the leaf part, it is like a curve, okay, starting from one side to the other. Once we finish with the corner part, just make a slanting line, okay, like this. Go down again, up, down, and complete it like this. The same way, the same thing we'll repeat it on the other side. Make a curve, then make the slanting lines complete, okay. After completing these two, come to the third one also the same way, fourth one also the same way, okay. Now after completing this first date palm tree, I'll just move to the second one. For the second one, it's little slanting, okay, tilt it here, and then again make it a thin and then broader towards the end, thin towards the top and broader towards the bottom like this. And after completing this, make the top part of the date palm tree like the same way as I told you, okay. It should be a curve. It's up to you if you want to start from the top part of the date palm tree, okay, like from the leaves, and then you go ahead with the trunk. It's up to you. Like, I'll just show you how. Like if you want, it's up to you. You'll start making the tree. 1 2 3 4 5, and then you come ahead for the come down for the thin trunk of the date palm tree like this, okay. 1 2 3. And now coming to the fourth one. For the fourth one, the same thing you will have 1 2 3 4 5, okay. Now complete the trunk part like this, complete it, okay. This trunk part is ready. Now I have to come to the shadow. For the shadow, it should be here, okay, done on the other side like this. This is the shadow, or as you can say, reflection. I'm just making the design for the reflection, and then I'll tell you how you have to complete it like this, okay. With this, we have finished with the drawing of our landscape. Now I'll just tell you how you will use watercolor pencils and which color we are using which area. Now for coloring this landscape drawing, I'm using these colors: all shades of green, all shades of brown, yellow and black, okay. So let's start making. I'm taking a brown color first, okay, and then I'm going to have color here, okay, with the watercolor pencils. As you already know, I told you many times that these watercolors, if you are using watercolor, just color it dark, because once you'll apply water, the impression will be in a lighter shade. So the same way you have to apply it dark. After completing this brown, we'll go ahead with the lighter shade in it, okay. We'll just add little lighter shade as well as and dark tones both. So this is done. Now I'm taking the lighter shade of brown. I'm just adding the lighter shade as well. After completing this brown, I'm taking the darker shade. I'm just completing the outline at the bottom with the darker brown shade like this, because this shade will be there once we'll apply water with the help of brush. So this impression will be coming here later. Just shade a little bit, okay. Done this much. The same thing you will repeat it here, okay. And for the date palm tree trunk. I'm using only this brown color, the darker shade of brown. Okay, I'm not using any other shade. I'm using only this brown, the darker shade. Okay, continue making all the date palm trees. After completing the brown color, I'm taking light yellow color, golden color, green color. Okay, so let's start making the tree. Top part, I'm just coloring it yellow first with the watercolor pencil. Okay, this full tree, I'll just color it yellow. Okay, and then I'll just give the rest all color as well. I'll just show you. Okay, complete it like this. Make sure you should not go outside the lines. Okay. See, I have done yellow. Now I'm taking the golden color. Now I'm adding little golden shade in it. Some leaves, I'll just have the golden shade. And then I'm adding green shade in it. Like this. I have added golden color for the 2 leaves. Now I'm taking the darker green shade. Okay, I'm going to color it with the darker green. Like this, outline first. And then complete it like this. Okay, we finished with one. Go ahead with the next one the same way. Same way, continue. You can just change the shape of the side of the paper instead of just changing the direction of the colors. Okay, that is more preferable instead of changing the direction. Like this, complete it. Now let's start making the bushes. For the bushes, I'm just drawing the outline like this around the date palm trees, like this. And here for the shadow, it should be this way. Okay, because it's like the impression of a shadow. So I'll just go ahead with this, and this whole area also I will color it the same way, green, like I have done it for the bushes. Okay, now let's start coloring this with the dark green color. Complete all the bushes dark green. And once you finish with the dark green color, now after completing all the coloring, I have added black also in for the bushes. Now I'll take my brush. I'm not going for the background. Okay, I'll just leave it because first I'll just complete the applying water. Okay, I'm taking a brush. I'm just dipping it water. Okay, make sure it should not be dipped in more water. Slowly start from the date palm trees. Okay, you can just spread the color with the help of a brush. Just take less amount of water and mix the color like this. It's done for one flower, one date palm tree. Now I'll go to the next one. Wherever the black color is there, you have to be careful. Okay, because this black color will smudge your whole drawing. So you just push this black color towards the end only, like this. Continue applying it for the date palm trees, and then you will go ahead for the bushes the same way. After completing the bushes, you just come and apply water Here see, I'm just taking a very less amount of water. So you also please be careful. Just complete it this way. Just apply the brush in one direction only, okay? Whichever direction you want to start, you just start applying in one direction like this. Continue. Now see, my water is finishing. I have dipped it again in water. Just take a less amount and then start it again like this. Now take light green color and yellow color. After finishing this, let it dry, wait for some time, then first take yellow color and start coloring this area in a slanting way. Start from the corner like this, okay? Complete it like this. Continue. And then afterwards we'll add light green color on it. Okay, if the corners are left empty, it's okay, leave it. Now take your light green color and then start shading it here on the top. This should be done with the normal colors, okay? You should not use the watercolor pencils, leave it. Do it with the normal colors for the background like this. It should be done. It's easy, it will not take much time, okay? Like this. See, with this we finish with the coloring and drawing. Now last step is we will take a dark blue color. I'll take a scale. The last and final step is to outline it, and this is how you have to complete the work. Hope it will be easy for you and it will not take much time. It's basically a watercolor activity in which you are using watercolor pencils. First draw the landscape and complete. See, after completing the outline, the image is looking perfect. See, this is the final image. This is how you have to complete. Hope you like it. See you inshallah next time. Thank you.